So these are Anita and Emanuela. They're going to Okada Casino today to celebrate the moving into 5901 Air Residence, our own unit. Yeah! And they're in front of the Raging Bull Burgers. As a matter of fact, this is called the, this is between, what is the name of this actually? Assembly Grounds, and Assembly Grounds is between Air and Air Residence and Makati Shangri-La Rice Residence. And now we are going, over there it says Assembly Grounds. We are going to enter into the Rice Residence, and we are going to be having some breakfast lunch there before we proceed to Okada. So over there is Air, and this is Assembly Grounds, which is like between two malls there. So we are going to be entering inside some of the interesting restaurants. Japanese Yuki, Kuya Filipino, 7-Eleven is over there, and on.